The red light's on.
The red light's on? Well, then we should have a special. We got a special going on right now, the red light's on.
Red light special.
Everything's half off. I think when you're on film, you get a better adjustment, because I'm more likely to do good.
I hope
I
so.
won't just throw you to the side like I do normally. Let's do this thing too, what the hell, yep. I'm gonna do this drop piece right here. I'm gonna do that. For all those goalies. Ooh, man, you ain't small. Oh. Maybe people shouldn't see that, this one. Get Justin a bull moose. On your side, young fella. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you needed. Okay. Oh, that's clean living there. Clean living. Gee whisk. I like pulling this. Someone could do that for me. Oh, man. Notice I couldn't get both arms around it. Whew, it's a wrestling match. I'm kind of getting into that.
You getting dancing?
Yeah. Do you need for me to get it?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's either that or White Christmas is my favorite song. Oh, let's check that shoulder. Let's try. Man. That thing a lot stronger than what it was.
Oh, yeah.
Let's try. Hold strong. Can't push him down. They must be good. Come on up. Oh my gosh, that was good. Come on up
How's
here,
that feel
fella.
for you?
Great.
Man.